Isang mabiyayang araw po sa ating lahat. I am Brother Michael Abueva Ambus, a JEDSA 04, 36 years old, from Dumaguete City, Philippines, currently working as a pastry chef at Le Couture Fine Belgian Chocolate and Cafe in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is an honor and opportunity to proclaim the goodness of God, as written in Psalms 107 verse 8, that let them thank the Lord for His steadfast love, for His wondrous works to the children of men. May 31, 2024, there was an event that God inspired the Council of GIL-GM to organize a prayer convention focusing on healing and deliverance. A long period of preparation through prayer and fasting. It is one of my best experience from God. A powerful message, anointed pastors and worship leaders who glorifying God, and awesome presence all come together in the presence of hundreds of people. I have struggles and bondage with bitterness and anger sa kasamahan ko sa aking trabaho. Dahil siya ang dahilan kung bakit nawala ang aming kwartos kung saan kami nagkakatipon magkakapatid para sa Bible study. For 2 years na doon kami nag-aaral. At isa rin siya sa nag-persecute na umabot sa opisina namin at sinabihan ako na huwag nang ipagpatuloy ang aking ginagawa sa aking pananampalataya sa ating Diyos. Sa bawat araw na kami ay nakikita, I feel discomfort at irritable because I know na hindi dapat ganito ang aking approach bilang mananampalataya, as Jesus said in Matthew 5:44, "But I say to you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you." I've been praying, asking forgiveness and releasing forgiveness to that person, but still there is a manifestation of an healing wound. A week before the prayer convention, ay excited na po ako sa nais na gawin ni Lord sa aking buhay. And I believe ang banal na Espiritu ang siyang naglagay nito sa aking puso. Kaya sinabi ni Lord sa Matthew 21:22, "If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer." And my prayer to God is, Lord, heal my heart and delivered me. Truly, God is faithful that even in the moment of worship, I receive already the answers of my prayers. I know because the love of God removed the anger and bitterness that I have. That even when I arrive in my work, I hug that person and release forgiveness full of love. Now, I'm free. I'm healed and delivered because of God's never-ending love. Pinatawad niya ako sa aking mga kasalanan, kaya wala rin akong karapatan na di magpatawad ng iba. God bless everyone.